Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, December 23rd. We have a short day today. It's considered an early dismissal. So we are going to finish up our warm up. Then I'm going to walk you through a couple things for today. And then hopefully you guys get to enjoy the early start to your Christmas break. So, our warm up for today is what are the two types of fermentation that our notes talked about? So this was listed in your 3.4 guided reading notes from Monday. We also talked about it in our 3.4 notes that you typed in and filled out yesterday. So you should look at one of those two documents, or you can look at the 3.4 textbook section as well. But you should be looking directly from your notes so you get the correct answers. You just need to list out the two types that were talked about. And then you guys can go ahead and submit your week 17 warm up, and then we will go through what we're doing today. So if you go to Schoology on our class and you go to Wednesday's folder, the only thing you guys have assigned today is to finish up any missing work from this week or last week. And then I do have an extra credit assignment for you guys. If you would like to complete that, you can earn up to a possible of 10 points. I'm going to walk you through that here just so you know what it looks like. Otherwise, you guys will have an easy day. So if you click on today's folder, you will see two options for our extra credit. You are only required to do one of those options if you want the extra credit. If you do both options, you're not going to get 20 points. You're only going to get graded for the one that you complete correctly. So each of these are the same setup. They have the same questions to answer. It just reveals a different Christmas puzzle. So how this is going to look, if you click on the assignment, if you choose to do the extra credit, you're going to click on the link that is there, and then it's set up as a Google Slide. So it is having you make a copy, just like it would with any other document that we do. And then this is what it's going to look like. So your first slide is your direction page. And then the second slide has your questions, and the third slide is what you're going to fill out to complete the puzzle. So your question page is going to look like this. I know it's small, so what you guys can do is you can always zoom in your screen if you need to. But you have this list of questions based on stuff we have learned about in the first 3 chapters of science. So you are going to have to do some research or kind of think back to what these definitions are and processes. You can use the textbook to help you, or you can look up the answers. But you're going to look at these questions. Then in the answer choices, there's a color listed. So as an example, this first question is movement of materials through cells using energy. So that is considered active transport, and the color is red. Now, what I would suggest is you click on that box, and then where the paint can is, where it says fill color, I would suggest you fill that box with the correct color so you can kind of see what it is a little bit better. And then if you notice, there are specific numbers listed with that question and that color. So you're going to go through and answer these questions. Then the numbers are what are on the third page. So 1, 2, and 3 are red. If you go to this third page, you're going to search for the numbers 1, 2, and 3 and fill them out in red. So 1 is down here. I'm going to fill that in red. 3 is here. And then searching for 2, it's right here. So those colors are red. Now, I'm going to go back, and you can continue working through each question and filling the picture in, or you can answer all of the questions and then fill in the picture. Once you have that all finished, what you're going to do is just like any other assignment, you're going to submit your copy, to the Christmas puzzle extra credit option. Okay, please make sure you just submit it to the one that you completed, and then I will go through those and give you the extra credit points when they are due. So this you have the option to do, and I'm not going to have it due until January 4th, so when we come back from Christmas break, but you do have the option to finish it today, and then I will apply it to our grades once we come back from break. Otherwise, check Sapphire. Grades are up to date, and I will be working on other grades as well, so you can see if there's anything missing, or you can email me if you have any questions. I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and you get to enjoy some time with family and friends. Hopefully, you get some good food, and hopefully, you can play out in the snow some more. Have a good break, and I will see you guys in January.